The 13th edition of the prestigious OTV Odisha Citizens Award 2025 celebrated excellence, dedication and service to society, honoring 9 eminent personalities whose remarkable work continues to uplift Odisha. At a grand ceremony held in Bhubaneswar on Saturday, Odisha Television Network recognized individuals across 9 diverse categories: agriculture, art and culture, business, education, entertainment, health, politics, social service and sports. In the education category, Professor Chandi Prasad Nanda was honored for his outstanding contribution to learning and academic leadership. For social service, Bichitranand Panda received the award for his relentless efforts in serving communities and creating meaningful impact. Successful farmer Saurabh Patnaik was celebrated in the agriculture category for his innovations and achievements in modern farming. Entrepreneurs Rita and Shanti Balyar Singh were recognized in the business category for their inspiring entrepreneurial journey. In the health sector, Dr. Satyanarayan Rautrai was honored for his dedicated service and commitment to public well-being. Shining in sports, hockey star Sunilita Topo received recognition for her remarkable performances and contribution to Indian hockey. In the politics category, Sophia Firdaus and Irashish Acharya were declared joint winners for their impactful public service and leadership. For art and culture, painter and architect Rabi Narayan Rath was awarded for enriching Odisha's artistic heritage. And in entertainment, noted theatre director Chitraranjan Tripathi was honoured for his creative excellence and contribution to performing arts. A panel of independent selectors shortlisted nominees across all categories, and the final winners were chosen through online public voting, reflecting the voice and choice of the people of Odisha. Odisha Governor Dr. Haribabu Khambhampati graced the occasion as chief guest. He described the event not merely as an award ceremony but as a meaningful celebration of service, talent and inspiration. Praising OTV's initiative, he urged the awardees to continue motivating others through their exemplary work.
ये प्रकार स्वीकृति ओटीवी तरफ मो गोटे विशिष्ट गुरुत्व रखे कारण ये जो सिटीजन अवार्ड को मुझे देखुची वर्तमान ये गोटे आमको सचेतन कराऊँची ये प्रकार स्वीकृति पाइला परे जड़े व्यक्ति नागरिक समाज प्रति कौन तार कर्तव्य बोध रही ये केवल स्वीकृति नुहे ये गोटे आह्वान कहीं ना आम निज क्षेत्र हुए तो पारदर्शिता किछिटा लाभ कर किंतु आम समाज को बा गोटे नागरिक समाज को आम की प्रकार रे कंट्रीब्यूट करि परछु तार ताकू निरीक्षा करिवार समय आछि।
आम सदाबले चाहूँ निशामुक्त समाज हो। निशा ही समाज को कबलित कर रखी। निशा ही राक्षस किसी ना राक्षस महिषासुर धटिकासुर फटिकासुर किसी ना निशा हूँ प्रकृत राक्षस जे मनुष्य को खाई दिए। निशा खाई 24 पिला आमर मरीगले वर्षक भितर युवक पिला तांकर स्त्री जो हाथ धरती झील को से वैधव होगा वैधव जंत्रणा भोगुची तार पिला छुआ नष्ट हो गले परिवार नष्ट हो भूषुड़ी जाऊँगी तेणु आपको सुधारिया आम यथासाध्य चेष्टा करूँ आगामी चेष्टा जारी रही।
This prestigious initiative of Odisha Television Network continues to uphold the finest traditions of recognizing citizens whose exceptional work has enriched the society and strengthened the identity of the state. At the outset, I offer my heartfelt appreciation to Srimati Jaggi Mangat Pandaji, the dynamic managing director of Odisha Television Network. Her unwavering commitment and vision have ensured that this platform grows stronger each year, honoring individuals who embody dedication, leadership, and integrity.
Artists who inspire, teachers who guide, entrepreneurs who build, leaders who protect, caregivers who heal, and citizens who care. Today, for the 13th time, as we gather here to honor exemplary Odias who have made remarkable contributions to our society, I feel a deep sense of pride and humility. The Odisha Citizens Award is not just a recognition of individual achievement, it is a celebration of values, service, integrity, compassion, and above all, unwavering dedication to the people.